Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Leche Flan using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 10 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 can of evaporated milk. For the caramel, prepare 1 cup of granulated sugar. Make sure you have your anura or other heat-proof molds ready for cooking. This recipe is designed for a smooth and creamy dessert. Next, we will create the essential caramel base. Place 1 cup of granulated sugar directly into your anura. Heat it over low flame, allowing the sugar to melt slowly and evenly. Gently swirl the anura as it melts until it transforms into a beautiful, rich amber liquid. Carefully coat the entire bottom of your mold with this warm, golden caramel. This step is crucial for that signature sweet topping. Now let's prepare the creamy custard. In a large bowl, combine your 10 egg yolks with 1 can of condensed milk and 1 can of evaporated milk. Whisk these ingredients together very gently, just until they are fully combined. Avoid overmixing to prevent excessive air bubbles, which can affect the flan's texture. For an extra smooth result, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve before pouring it over the caramel. Finally, it's time to cook and chill our delicious flan. Carefully pour the strained custard mixture into your anura, which already contains the hardened caramel. Steam the flan for about 35 to 45 minutes or until it is set. Once cooked, let it cool completely at room temperature. Then, refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight to ensure it is perfectly firm and chilled before serving. Enjoy your delightful homemade Leche Flan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.